No, I don't think so. They're equal. They've never been. They're not are.
It depends on what you think of as equality. I don't think they're fundamentally equal.
Yeah.
But like in a rights perspective, I would want them to be placed on an equal position.
If the parameter is set by men, then of course men and women are not equal.
Yeah.
But if there is a platform made by men and women equally and other genders identities, then of course they are.
They are equal.
I guess physically they are different, but we cannot differentiate them on other bases.
Yeah.
Okay, so according to me, equal doesn't mean physical strength. Equal means equal in terms of mental capacity, equal in terms of opportunities, and in terms of their capability.
Women have been, suppressed for too long, and I think it's time that women are given. I think equity is better than equality, in short.
Yeah.
There's different aspects. I think the physical equality and then the equality comes in the things that women should get.
Yeah.
So I think there's a difference. We can't say equal, but I think equity and equitable distribution to both of them is what is important.
What about you?
I think like biologically they are made different, but when we talk about opportunities, then they should be given equal opportunities.
Yeah.
They should not be discriminated
On the
against
basis of the gender.
No, I don't think we're equal because obviously there's different biological processes that take place differently in both the genders. But I don't think we're equal.
I mean, we're all fundamentally human beings. So men, women, or whatever gender you identify with, why wouldn't you be?
Yeah. Okay. No? I don't.
Okay, you don't. Okay.
I think need comes from a very like a place of somebody is lacking something. So I don't think anyone in this world needs anybody, and no gender needs another gender.
Yeah.
It's more of how you want things in life. There can be people who don't even require men for their sexual needs.
I think everybody needs someone in their life.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if it's like a girl needs a man or a man needs a woman. So it's like you just need someone in your life who can take care of
A companion.
a partner, a good partner.
Yeah.
It's not only about men.
Yeah.
No one needs anyone.
Yeah.
I think it's just society's expectations where they force you to always have someone in your life, be it a friend, be it a partner. Like if you see someone sitting alone, you'll automatically start feeling bad for them.
Yeah.
Whereas we don't realize sometimes being alone is what serenity is. So no, I don't think anyone needs anyone, specifically women needing men or the other.
Yeah, the other
I
way.
personally feel it's more about wanting than needing. So it's a want, it's not a need.
Yeah.
We help out each other. We are there for each other, men and women. It's not that we need them or they need us. No, we both work together the best. It's not. There's no need.
They're more like a want than more than like.
Okay.
Less a need, more a want.
Okay.
Yeah, even I don't think.
You think the same? Okay.
Well, depends on what your definition of need is, right? To survive, obviously not. You don't need men to survive. But if you choose to have a companion who's a male, sure, depends on the person.
Not necessarily, but yes and no to both of that. It depends on situation.